Hi everyone, in this video we will show you the Topstep X promo code. First, about the Topstep website. Topstep is a popular platform for traders that allows you to practice trading and even earn funding for a live trading account. Before signing up, it's a good idea to check for available promo codes, as they can save you a lot on your subscription. Take a moment to review the subscription plans, so you know which plan suits your trading goals. Next, visit Simply Codes. This website is a great resource for trading active Topstep promo codes and coupons. Each code comes with the details like a discount amount, eligibility, and expiration date. Simply Codes also shows user ratings and reviews, which can help you confirm that the code actually works. Another site is to check is Mundo Forex. Mundo Forex specializes in trading deals and frequently offers Topstep promo codes that can save you up to 70%. You can filter codes by type, each as percentage off, fixed price discounts, or trial extensions. Be sure to read the terms of each code carefully, as some may only apply to specific Topstep plans like combined or live account subscriptions. After finding a code that works for you, check the Topstep information or FAQ page. This page explains exactly how to enter your promo code when signing up or upgrading your account, ensuring that your discount is applied correctly. You can also explore Mobile Mall, which sometimes lists exclusive or seasonal Topstep promo codes. Scroll to the discounts to find any limited time deals. Coupon Purge is another reliable source that displays verified codes along with the start and end dates, restrictions, and whether they can be combined with other offers. Checking multiple websites increases your chance of finding the best deal. Finally, when using a promo code, make sure your account information is accurate. Double check your email, payment details, and selected subscription plan. Some codes may only work for new accounts, so if you already have a Topstep account, you might need a different email to redeem the discount. Timing your purchase with seasonal sales like Black Friday or Cyber Monday can also maximize savings. Following these steps, you can get the best possible discount on Topstep X. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.